Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I am working on one of these journals that I've shown before that are our nature theme. And so I thought I'd bring you guys along and craft together. I just went ahead and added this this journaling card that I made, but I turned it into a flap. So I figured you could journal on the back and then journal on there. So that's all I've done so far. And then I just did a little bit of layering here. I want to put that there and then have like a little butterfly. I think that would look cute. That way when you open it, you know, to journal there, you have a little something that just makes the page look cute. So that's where I'm at, guys. But let me move this out of there. I just have all kinds of piles of bits and pieces everywhere. I even have a pile over here of the gnomes. I'm just going back and forth on projects. But I hope everybody's doing well and, you know, staying insane. I know it's so much going on with this coronavirus, so we got to stay busy. So, yeah, I thought I would bring you guys along. And again, I'm using my phone, so after 30 minutes, I'm going to have to stop and then start a new video. I tried to, you know, play with my Photoshop and try to connect the last two videos I made, but I used my phone. How do I transfer the video to my computer? So I thought of emailing it to me, but I ended up just uploading it. I need to go dig up my camera and go, you know, do it that way. Because yeah, I don't know. I need to figure that out. I need to go get some cheesecloth too. I should have done that before I started the video. Let me see if I can use some of this. I just want a little something for the butterfly. I need to clean these scissors. They're all gluey. Thinking of putting that there. Not sure if that's gonna work, but I like the cheesecloth, and I don't have any more. Darn it. Oh, wait. I think I see a piece here. Okay. I like the cheesecloth better. And then put my little butterfly. Oh, I didn't struggle so much this time. But I'm going to put some wet glue. Since the cheesecloth's on the bottom, I don't know if it's going to glue the same. So there we have it. I'm excited because this journal is almost done. And then, let's see, what else do we need? I still need to decorate this one. And, oh, it's open on the top, okay. Let's see, what do we want to do there? I guess we need, let's see, what papers do I have here? On something that will match. I'm thinking that one. Whoops. I hate when that happens. Now I'm gonna say maybe about there. Bring this book back here. Yeah, it came out a bit too thick still. So I think I left it too wide, so a little more. Okay, and then just stress it a little bit. Okay, that will work there. I know a lot of people have asked me about that ruler. I got that on Amazon. So if anybody is interested in knowing, it's from Amazon. Okay, now, what are we going to put there? That's too big. That's too big. Let me see. What do I have here? I'm digging through my stuff. Maybe something from here. These are from the old design shop. I just put 2 on a page. And these are from Victoria Designs. And these as well. But I think those are too tall. That's not going to work. But I'm wondering if... I still think they're too big. These are small, but I think I already used it in one pocket, and I'm not sure if it's this one or another, the other journal. I don't want to use it twice. Oops. Nope, that must have been the other one, so maybe we can use it on this one. I really need to clean these scissors, and I don't, oops, I forgot the center. And they're still too big. They're still too big. Okay, so maybe those won't work. Pop those over there. Maybe we can go ahead and add a butterfly. Maybe this one. Let me distress it. I still feel like I need a little, like a little word. These are, let's see. Sorry guys, let me go through my, oh, what about these? Okay, hold on. Let me try these bigger scissors. These are from Tsunami Rose. And they're also gluey. Not as bad as the other ones though. It's like yes and no. Let me see, what about one of these? These I don't have who I got them from. Darn it. Let me see. Yeah, the only thing is the butterfly is going to cover it. Unless we were to get a smaller butterfly. There's this tiny one. That might work. Like there. And then this little butterfly there. Yeah, I like that. Now, let's hope I can peel this off quick. I should have made me a tea. I feel like drinking something nice and warm. Come on, work with me. Come on. Lord, Lord, Lord. I'm going to be here all day. Come on, work with me. Oh, we got it. Okay, I like that. Now I need to make something for this pocket too. I don't know what I want to do. And then I have this little file folder, but there's nothing in it. So I need to figure what's going to go in there. But that's cute. On this side, I'm probably going to put an image. Let's see. What do we have over here? Bring this box over here better. Oh, this was also a pocket that I didn't use. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's an ephemera kit I purchased, and then there's the full digi kit of a journal that I'm using. I mean, a kit that I'm using, but I think one of them is from My Porch Prints, and the other one is from Victoria Designs. They go slow. I need to find my little circle punch thingy. put this there. Yeah, but I think I'm going to put it in here to make it sturdy because it's on 28 or 20 pound paper. So we need it nice and sturdy. There I go. I have to cut that circle again. And see if I get it good. It's harder with thicker paper, at least for me. Okay, bring my book back. It'd be nice if it has a belly band too, but it's got the little hook. Should that matter? Like, let's just pretend this was back there. No, I guess not. That I kind of like it as a belly band too. More than a pocket. I'm going to put it as a belly band. Press that down. Oops, I moved it. Darn it. And then let's see, what else do we have here? Still have 2 tags. I have these little, these are from Shabby. Well, it won't fall because of the tab, but I'm not sure if it'll match the color. glue this down. So there's a little pocket that we could insert something in there. I'm going to leave that there for now. Too high. Oh, there's a little bit of glue. Yeah, that can work there. And then the other end of that. Oh, I already have one. What if I switch it for this one? I kind of like how that looks. A little tabby sticking out. Really? I think it glued down. Yep, it did. Okay, I like that better. I'm just gonna have to make another one for this side because this is too tall. Well, that's not too bad. So I need one for this side. And there's one of these extra ones that could also be popped in there. We'll leave that in there for now. And then we need some little ones in there. Now these, I think these are from the old design shop. I need to put a primer on this journal already. Pop that over there, pop you over there. Oh shoot, I'm already at 29 minutes. Feel like I just started. Feel like I want to cover the back, but I'm not sure. What did I do with my hole puncher? Okay, well, we'll punch the hole later. But I'm thinking one of these, maybe here. Yes, no, maybe. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna wait till 31. This kit that I purchased, that I think it's from what do you call it? These are from Creative Cafe. These are cute too. See, that one will look cute right there. Or the ones with the flower. Didn't I cut any of these? I know I cut a bunch of them, yeah, because I think I printed them twice by accident. Let's just say that. And then there's one of these cute little ones. I don't see it. Well, I see these. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. God bless. Bye.